Adventure is time well spent. But could it be even better? With life-altering gadgets elevating convenience to new frontiers, your outdoor experiences won't just be about staying under the stars, but how you shine among them. Stay tuned to journey through revolutionary tools designed for explorers just like you. We'll unveil the top gadgets designed to revolutionize outdoor adventures in the next few minutes. Whether living off-grid, camping, road tripping, or simply family outings, we've got something for you. So fasten your seatbelts and let's bring gadgetry and adventure together. The System Portable Shower and Cleaning Kit is an exceptional, user-friendly tool for those who love adventures. It ensures you can stay fresh wherever your journey takes you. Ideal for camping or long travel journeys, it ensures cleanliness in the most remote locations. Compact and weightless, it is easy to carry. The shower and cleaning kit does not require any external power to work, making it an efficient pick. The adjustable water flow feature enhances user comfort. It guarantees a refreshing shower with its ample water storage capacity. The kit is also equipped with a finely built pump system that provides a consistent flow of water. In terms of construction, it is designed to be hard-wearing and long-lasting. This product is a true blend of convenience and functionality, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. You won't have to worry about keeping your provisions cold as you explore the wilderness. Introducing the ICECO Go 20 Dual Zone Portable Refrigerator, an innovative solution for keeping your food and drinks chilled or frozen wherever you go. This 21-quart cooler is equipped with a high-quality CCOP compressor, ensuring your items can be cooled from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit efficiently, using less power for a maximum cooling effect. Thanks to its anti-shock compressor, it's uniquely designed to be stable even on uneven surfaces. What sets the GO20 apart is its flexible dual-zone design. With a simple adjustment, by inserting or removing a partition, you can switch between having two separate zones for refrigeration and freezing, each controlled independently. This feature allows you to manage space and temperature according to your needs. When nature calls, the Alpcour portable toilet is at your side. It's a compact and efficient solution to enhance your outdoor restroom needs. Perfect for camping, RV use, boating, and road trips. So you never have to sacrifice comfort for the call of the wild. It combines convenience and the comfort of a home toilet in a portable design. This toilet features a built-in piston pump flush, eliminating the need for plumbing or external connections. Thanks to its 5.3-gallon waste tank and a separate 3.2-gallon water tank, it boasts an impressive capacity of over 50 flushes, reducing the frequency of emptying. Constructed from durable materials that minimize odors while resisting rust and corrosion, this portable toilet is designed to comfortably support users of all ages. Cleaning is made easy with a sprayer that ensures the bowl is clean from every angle and a rotating spout for hygienic disposal of waste. It comes with a waste level indicator and an anti-leak drain valve that locks in odors and liquid. Following the trails until sundown, the Ignik FireCan portable propane fire pit awaits to embrace you with the warm, comforting glow of a fire, all without the need for firewood or intense maintenance, combining safety with the essence of outdoor evenings. It is powered by propane, making it clean and smokeless, ideal for preserving the environment while keeping you cozy. This compact and lightweight fire pit is highly portable and perfect for various outdoor activities such as camping, picnics, and beach parties. It offers adjustable heat control to cater to your preference, ensuring a warm, satisfying outdoor experience. The Ignik FireCan portable propane fire pit combines convenience, environmental consciousness, and the nostalgic feeling of sitting around a fire in one beautiful package. Imagine lounging after a day of exploration. The portable hammock with stand is an essential item for anyone who loves to relax outdoors, whether in their backyard, camping, or at the beach. This hammock comes with its own stand, making it easy to set up anywhere, with no trees necessary. The hammock is designed for comfort and durability, often made with weather-resistant materials that ensure a long-lasting relaxation experience. Its lightweight design means you can easily carry it to your favorite outdoor spot. The stand is typically made from sturdy materials like steel to provide a stable and secure foundation. The hammock itself is spacious and strong, perfect for a leisurely day of reading, napping, or just soaking in the surroundings. Most models are easy to assemble and disassemble, requiring no tools, which makes them user-friendly and convenient for all ages. Whether you're planning a trip to the park, a weekend at a campsite, or just wishing to enjoy a peaceful afternoon in your own space, a portable hammock with a stand offers a quick and easy way to relax in comfort and style. Yet even the most relaxed adventurer must tackle the mundane task of laundry. The Scrubba portable wash bag is a compact and lightweight solution that transforms the chore of washing clothes into a simple task, no matter where you are. Imagine a bag that acts like a mini washing machine. That's what Scrubba offers. It's designed to give your clothes a thorough wash in just minutes, making it perfect for travelers, campers, or anyone needing to wash clothes without traditional laundry facilities. Weighing just a bit more than a small apple and folding to fit in your pocket, this wash bag is incredibly easy to carry. It ensures you can always have clean clothes without the hassle. It's straightforward to use, with instructions right on the bag, and it doesn't need electricity. Not only is it functional for washing items like shirts, underwear, and socks, but it can also serve as a dry bag to keep your stuff safe and dry. Developed with insights from military specialists, it's durable enough for tough conditions. Of course, after the day's activities, rest is paramount. The Gazelle Tents. T4 Hub Tent is designed for easy and quick setup to provide a comfortable outdoor shelter. Thanks to its pre-attached poles and hub system that quickly snaps into place, it can usually be assembled in a matter of minutes. The tent is spacious enough to accommodate up to 4 people, making it ideal for family camping trips or outings with friends. Constructed with durable materials, it's built to withstand various weather conditions, protecting you from rain and wind. Ventilation is provided through mesh windows and doors, which keep bugs out and let the breeze in. Privacy is also a key feature, with solid zip-up panels when you need them. For those who enjoy the outdoors but prefer a hassle-free camping experience, the Gazelle Tent's T4 Hub Tent is a popular option. It provides the convenience of easy transport and setup, allowing more time to enjoy nature and less time to struggle with tent assembly. The GasOne 200K BTU propane burner is a high-powered outdoor stove designed to enhance your cooking experience outdoors. Whether you're into home brewing, preparing a turkey, or simply cooking in the great outdoors, this stove is tailored for those who demand efficiency and reliability in their outdoor cooking gear. It stands out for its impressive heat output of 200,000 BTU, ensuring fast and efficient cooking. Constructed with a durable metal body and robust cast iron burners, it also features a high-temperature protective coating for long-lasting performance. Safety is prioritized with an adjustable heat regulator that helps you control the flame intensity, ranging from 0 to 20 psi. It also comes equipped with a steel-braided hose to securely connect to your propane tank, minimizing the risk of gas leaks. Versatile and portable, it's your go-to burner for camping, fishing, or any outdoor cooking activity, making it perfect for a wide array of uses beyond just cooking, including boiling, heating, or frying. So there you have it. These gadgets are definitely going to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. If you love what you've seen, don't forget to hit like. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Make sure you also click the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future gear updates. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you on our next adventure.